Meaning of IND.
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 IND. IND is an abbreviation commonly used to represent India. Depending on the context in which it is used, IND may also stand for Indoor, Independent, or Index. In the case of referring to India, it is a country located in South Asia with a population of over 1.3 billion people. It is known for its rich history and culture, diverse cuisine, and vibrant cities such as Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore. India has a rapidly growing economy and is home to many major industries, including information technology, pharmaceuticals, and textiles. Despite facing various challenges such as poverty and political unrest, India remains a significant player in global affairs and a leader in the region.